Rohita, whatever you know, you are going to read. Okay?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, Pranita. Good morning, Siddharth. Mute yourself, children. Good morning, Vivan.
It's cheese.
Next
Mm.
one.
As
Point out, ma. Keep your finger and point out and read.
Finger పెట్టి చదువుతుంది మ్యామ్.
ma'am.
He, H-E, he. Next, I-S.
E, O, T, the
బాయ్.
ball.
What is it? Read fully, you
What is
read.
it? H-E
He,
అంటే
H,
he.
boy.
He.
E,
I-S?
yes,
No, my I-S is
I-S.
daily
Is.
I'm telling ma'am.
It's just a small confusion. That's it. You please don't do anything. Let us say. Let us say. I-S.
మురిగిగొల్లు తెలుసుకుంటుంది.
Slowly. Listen, Rohita. You have to think and answer. Okay?
Stop.
I-S.
H, E,
I-S.
G.
He. I.
The name
Oh, teleda.
Good morning, Manila.
Yeah, good morning, Nightek.
Hey.
He is a B-O-Y.
ఇదేంటి?
B-O-Y.
Boy.
Boy. Very good,
What is
Rohita. Now
that?
mute yourself, Rohita. Thank you.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
next
Thank you,
is
ma'am.
Nightek. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Who's that? Good morning.
Hey, Prashant.
Take Trisha.
He's hiding his face.
Hide and seek playing in online class, pa. Oh my God, children.
Morning, morning.
Hey, Kavyani, good morning.
Morning, Manila. Good morning,
Yes,
Manila.
is everyone, children, mute yourself. Come on. It's echoing. I don't know who is talking. So mute yourself. Those who have joined, for everyone, I wish good morning. Siddharth, Hashni, Nightek, and then Kavyani, Lakshana, Pranita, everyone, very good morning. Okay, Hashni, how are you, Hashni?
Yes, ma'am.
How are you? How is your hand?
பெயின் இருக்கும் மேம்.
Pain irka. Okay. You took your medicines?
எடுக்கிறேன் மேம். 3 வீக்ஸ்க்கு கட்டு போட்டிருக்காங்க.
Okay. ஒழுங்கா சாப்பிடுறீங்களா மெடிசன் ஹாஷ்னி? Okay, very good girl. Okay, now mute yourself. Come on. Thank you, Hashni. Nightek. Nightek, read the sentence, Nightek. Read the sentence.
H, E,
Don't look at your uncle. H-E.
H, E, T,
He.
T,
I-S.
I, F, if,
B-O-Y.
B, O, Y, the boy.
What is that picture? Yeah, very good. Now read the whole sentence.
He is a B, O, Y, boy.
Very good, Nightek. Now this one.
F, H, E, he. I, F, if, A, G, I, R, L, girl.
Very good, Nightek. She is a girl. Okay. Now,
I, T, it. I, F, if, A, B, A, L, L, boy.
very good, Nightek. Wonderful. Now,
Thank you. T, it. I, F, if, A, C,
Very good, Naitik. Thank you so much, Naitik. Well done. Mute yourself, okay? Karthikeyan, good morning. Good morning, Karthikeyan. Yes, you wish good morning, right? Good morning. Now, Siddharth. Yeah, Siddharth. Read the sentence, Siddharth. Where are you, Siddharth? You are looking very different today. Why? Native place, ah. Okay, okay. Okay, come on, Naitik. Ah, very good. High five for you, Siddharth. Like this only you children should be. High five. First, high five to ma'am. Ah. Yes, well done. That's the spirit, children. Be like that. Don't allow your parents to teach you. You yourself should try. Very good, Siddharth. Well done, Siddharth. Well done. Very good, Siddharth. Well done. Ayana. Very good. Read a sentence. It is an ant. Very good, Siddharth. Very good, Siddharth. Okay, thank you so much, Siddharth, and well done, Siddharth. Very good. Mute yourself. Next is Hashni. Priya.
Hashni. Yes, ma'am.
Come on, read the sentence, ma. Oh, I is a. IT.
It.
அடுத்து
Is.
Mm.
ம்
N.
N.
Mm.
T.
And ANT.
என்ன சொல்லு
It is an.
Very good, Ashni.
அடுத்து
It.
ஆ
It is.
ஆ ஆ
CUP.
ம்
Cup.
ம் ஃபுல்லா
Very good, ma. Very good.
TC.
கையெடுமா அடுத்து
It.
ஆ
This.
ஆ
Yeah.
ஆ
Yeah. அப்படின்னு சொன்னீங்க.
அடுத்து படி
CAR. Car.
ஃபுல்லா
Very good, Ashni.
TC car.
Good. Next.
It is. Yeah. BALL. Ball.
Super, Ashni. Thank you so much, Ashni. Mute yourself. Very good, Ashni. Next is Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan. Yeah, come on, read it out.
I see it. I it. Sallama.
சவுண்டா
BALL. Ball.
Very good, ma, Karthikeyan. Good morning, Dhanven. Good morning, Darshika.
நீதான் எஸ்
Come on, ma. Karthikeyan.
X.
சவுண்டா
E.
ம்
He or she?
ஷி
She.
ஒழுங்கா
It.
Mm.
A.
Mm.
G. I. R.
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 L.
L. L.
என்ன
Girl.
Girl. GIRL. Girl. Okay. Next.
ம் சவுண்டா படி
S. E. It's a அப்புறம் B O Y boy.
Very good, ma Karthikeyan. Well done, Karthikeyan. Very nice. Okay, now mute yourself. Farnas is there?
Nani ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Farnas. Read out the sentence, ma. Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Boy.
Very good, Farnas. Hmm. Can you see, ma? Farnas? Farnas, are you there?
Apple.
Very good, Farnas. Next, next. Good girl. Next.
Is a ball.
Very good, Farnas. Come on.
Is a car.
Very good, Farnas, mom. Nicely trained, ah. How is your hand, Farnas?
Yes, ma'am.
How is your hand?
Farnas, எப்படி இருக்கு?
Okay, va?
Hand எப்படி இருக்கு?
Okay, she's
How is
okay
your
now.
hand?
Now
It is
she's
good,
able to
ma'am.
write and
She
all.
is doing good. Yeah. It is better.
Yeah, very good. Thank
Yes,
God.
ma'am. She's writing.
Very good, Farnas. But hereafter, be careful, okay? Thank you, Farnas. Mute yourself, Kana. Okay, next. Who else is here? Danvin. Children, 1 minute wait, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, now Danvin, come on, read it out, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, சொல்லிட்டு படிக்கணும்.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good.
இது என்னது?
Children, by seeing the word itself, hereafter you should identify that it is it, in, is and all. No more it, it, no more is, and all. Okay?
படி. இது என்னது?
Children, you should identify it by looking at it itself. Okay? Come on. It.
Is
Oh, that's what I'm telling you. Okay, read it in your mind. Don't read it by your words, like in your mouth. Okay, come on, read it in your mind itself.
ISS அப்புறம் அப்புறம் CAR என்னது?
C car.
Very good, Danvin.
நெக்ஸ்ட் அடுத்தது அது ஓகே இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
Very good, ma. It is a cup. He said correctly only. Very good. Let them assume. Danvin's mom.
யா ஓகே மேம்
Okay,
இது உள்ள
read the sentence. Read the sentence. It.
இட்
Is
AN
and
ANT
ANT and
so full
And okay, regular practice will bring you without spelling it. Okay, come on, Danvin's mom. Give him practice every day.
ஓகே மேம்
Very good, but he's reading good only. But I expect that he should find it out by seeing it itself.
யா ஓகே
Okay, very good, Danvin. Thank you so much. Mute yourself. Children, I think everyone has joined. We'll start our session. Who is going to say Kidzi anthem today, children?
Danvin.
Danvin will say, okay, Danvin will say Kidzi anthem today. Come on, children, everyone. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Join your hands, children. Everyone, I want everyone to stand up. Darshika, good morning, Darshika. Joined, huh? Vishank, come on. Stand properly, Vishank. Good boy. Good morning, Vishank. Yeah, come on. Ready, Dhanvin. Kids anthem.
Lord, me, Lord, can fly, Lord, wing, my potential is set. Lord, wing, unique can fly, unique me, my potential is set. Today I said, Lord, my I said, listen, you, my potential is set.
Very good. Well done. Okay, ready for the action words? Shall we start? Like yesterday, I'm going to show you the pictures. You're going to do the action like it. Okay, children, ready? This. What is it? What is this? Darshika, what is this?
I,
Fly. Come on, fly. How will you fly, children? How will you fly? Very good. Darshika. Good. Okay, next. What is this? Farnas, come on, do it, Farnas. Stand up and do it. Come on, do it. What is this? Anyone unmute and tell me, ma, what is this? Read. How will you read? How will you read? How will you read? Very good. Very good. Reading. Okay, next. DRINK. Vidyut, what is this? Vidyut. Drink. How will you drink, Vidyut? Hey, very good, Vidyut. Okay, good. Okay, next is the favorite thing you like. What is it? Dev Krish. Dev Krish. Yes? Laugh. Laugh or clap? Sorry, clap. Come on, clap your hands. Very good, very good. Okay, next. EAT. What is it? What the child is doing here? Eat. How will you eat? Yes? Eating. Nitila. Eating. Do the action, Nitila. Eating. Very good. Okay, good. Next is, what is it? Sleeping. How will you sleep, Nitila? How will you sleep, Nitila? How will you sleep? How will you sleep, children? See, Hashni, very good. Lying on the lap of her mama. Good. Kartikeyan and all will not sleep, ah. He'll sit like that itself. Okay, next. What is it? Children, I want all of you to stand up and do the activity. Children, be active in the morning. Come on. It's morning, right? Be active. Everyone be active. Jump. I want all of you to jump. I'm seeing, I'm watching everyone. Yes, Kartikeyan, jump. Kavyani, jump. Come on. Yes. Very good. Next. Now only you should do this action. SIT. 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 Okay. This one. WALK. What is it? Walk. Come on, Satvika. Walk. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, 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 walk. Walk means Satvika is running, ah. Okay, next. Dance. See here. Okay, stop, Satvika. What is it? DANCE. Dance. Very good. Dance. Hashmi, be careful. Dance. Okay, very good. Next. STAND. Standing. Very good. Stand, all of you. Those who are sitting, I want all of you to stand. Stand. Okay. Next is run. Backward running, Dev Krish. Okay. Next is final one. What is it? Laugh. Very good, Daniel. Unmute yourself and laugh, everyone. Loudly. Yeah, laugh. That's your laugh, huh? Nighty. Okay, thank you, children. Now it's time for our months of the year. Who is going to say that? And jump. Yes, you have to say and also you have to jump. Ready? Who is going to say? Come on, I want volunteers. Come on. No one knows, huh? Nitik will say, come on, Nitik.
January,
Hmm.
February, March,
April,
April,
May,
May,
June,
June,
July,
July,
August,
August,
September,
September,
October,
October,
November,
November,
final one,
December,
December. And what is this month? This month, what is the name of this month? January or February or December or November? What month is this? Can anybody tell me? Yeah, very good, Nitik. It's October. Okay? You can unmute yourself, Nitik. Very good. Very
Your
good.
voice is echoing, ma'am.
Sorry?
The voice was echoing.
Echoing is all because of Nitik. When he's unmuting himself, no, it's echoing. Now it will not echo. Okay? Okay, children, now go drink one glass of water and come back. Okay? Get ready for the attendance. Come on, come fast, children. All of you should drink water, children. I want everyone to go drink water and come back. If possible, drink hot water, okay? Ready? Darshika? Darshika.
Name is Rashika, studying junior KG.
Very good, Darshika.
And what?
Devrakshita. Yes, ma. Sorry. Devrakshita. Hey, Devrakshita. What happened to your eyes?
Some issue, ma'am. Hi.
Vision problem, ah? So
Yes,
have
ma'am,
healthy
yes,
food. See? What is this, Devrakshita? Okay, no issues. You are looking beautiful only. Come on, tell me your attendance.
Say, Devrakshita. Say good morning, ma'am. Ma'am.
Hi.
DK Devrakshita.
Hi, teacher.
Next. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Junior KG.
Junior KG.
It's school.
It's good.
Okay.
Very good, Devrakshita. Your voice is so sweet. Why don't you speak out, Devrakshita? Huh? Okay, very good, and thank you, Devrakshita. Devkrish.
My name is Devkrish. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Devkrish. Dhanvin.
My name is Danisa. I am in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good, Dhanvin. Parnaz. Parnaz. Parnaz, I am marking you, Parnaz.
Unani, ma'am, I am a fan of Farnaz and studying junior KG.
Very good, Parnaz. Ashni.
My name is Asini. I am studying junior KG.
Very good, Ashni. Janavi. Janavi. Janavi is here. Karthikeyan.
Yeah, Daddy, my name is Karthikeyan. I am junior 4 years old.
Very good, Karthikeyan. Kavyani.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Kavyani. I'm studying in junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Very good, Kavyani. Nitik.
My name is Naitik. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good, Nitik. Nukshita. Nukshita. Absent, okay. Pranita. Pranita.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Penta and playing junior KG.
Very good, Pranita. Rohita.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Pranita. I am in junior KG. I am playing junior KG.
Very good, Pranita. Rohita.
I am studying for the junior KG.
Very good, Rohita. Ritvik.
Ma'am, I am Ritvik. I am studying in junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Very good, Ritvik. Nitila. Nitila.
My name is Nidila. I study in junior KG.
Very good, Nitila. Satvika.
My name is Satika C. and I'm studying in the KG.
Very good. Siddharth.
My name is Siddharth. I'm studying in the KG.
Very good, Siddharth. Tarnika. Tarnika. Tarnika is absent today. Okay. Tilakar. Tilakar. No. Vishank.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Name is Vishnu.
My name is Vishang.
Studying in
I'm studying in Junior KG.
Why today very smiley? Why? Why smiling face today? No angry today. Wow, very good. I want to see you like this, Vishank.
Sleep.
Huh?
4 days leave.
4 days leave. Don't talk to me, okay? Vivan.
Even attendance mark.
Vivan.
Talk properly.
Huh? My ears are paining. Why? Okay, Vidyut. Terrible, Vivan. Vidyut. Vidyut.
I am Givitot studying in Junior KG.
Wonderful, Vidyut. So louder today. Very good, Vidyut. Zadi. Zadi is absent today. Lakshana. Lakshana. Lakshana, I'm marking you, Lakshana. Okay, children, we'll go to our session. Today, ma'am is going to teach you some more two-letter words. Okay, let's see. Yes. B-E, B. B-E, B. Okay, what is B-E? Yes. Karthikeyan, what is B-E? B, Nitik. You please mute yourself, Nitik. Okay, next is B-Y, by. B-Y, by. Vishank, listen.
DY by.
Okay. Nitik, please mute yourself, Nitik. D-O, do. D-O, do. Okay? And then G-O, go. You will say no? Yes? Go here, go there. Your mama will say, right? Go to bed. Everything she'll say, right? Go take that book, go take this glass and come. Everything. So that is go. H-I, hi. You will say hi to your friends, right? Hi, H-I, hi. And then M-E, me. M-E is me, yourself, me. Yes? M-Y, my. M-Y, my. What is M-Y, Siddharth? M-Y, my. Very good. Okay, next is N-O, no. Dhanvin, what is N-O? No. You have to shake your head. No. N-O, no. Okay. S-O, so. Kavyani, S-O, so. What is S-O, Kavyani? S-O, Kavyani, are you there? S-O, so. Okay. Next is T-O, to. I'm going to market. I'm going to beach. I'm going to mall. That too. T-O, to. Okay. What is T-O, Satvika? T-O, to. Okay, very good. Next, U-S, us. U-S, us. Us. Okay. U-S, us. Vivan, what is U-S? U-S. What is this, Vivan? Us. Very good. Next is U-P. Anybody knows what is U-P? Up. Very good, Vivan. U-P. Up. Up. Down. We'll say no. Up. U-P. Up. Devkrish, what is U-P? U-P. Devkrish. Up. Very good. W-E-V. W-E-V. We are family. We are friends. We are going to temple. We. Okay. We means naanga ellarum. All together. We. Okay. One more time. W-E-V. U-P. Up. U-S. Us. T-O. To. S-O. So. N-O. No. M-Y. My. M-E. Me. H-I. Hi. G-O. Go. D-O. Do. B-Y. Buy. B-E. Be. That's it. Okay, children. I want all of you to take your English notebook, 4-line notebook, and copy down all these words. Write today's date and copy down all these words. Come on. Yes, come on, take your English notebook. Write today's date, children. Everyone take your 4-line notebook. Write today's date. First, write number 1. B-E-B. Already we wrote am, an and all, right? So this time we are going to write B-E-B and all. 5 words we'll write. Next 5 words we'll write it tomorrow. Only 5 words today. Come on, start writing. B-E-B. Come back. Finish, children. B-E-B. 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 Number 1. B-E-B. Small letter B and small letter E. Yes? Finish. Next is number 2. S-O, so. S-O, so. S-O, so. Look here and write otherwise. S-O, so. In between the blue lines only you should write, children, these small letters. Vishank. Vishank. Is this playing time, Vishank? Is this playing time? Is this playing time? Why you didn't write anything? Come on, take your slate and write, or else if you don't want to write in your notebook, take your slate and write. Come on. Look at your friends. Everyone are learning, right? You are playing. What is this, Vishank? Write in your notebook or slate.
No, you have to write in this.
This.
If you are not writing, then no chocolate for you. See here. Dun, dun, dun. I'll send you if you write. Come on, take your notebook and write. I'll send you through this mobile itself. Come on. Write this. Good. Everyone will get, okay? All of you, those who are writing, will get chocolate today. Okay, children? Come on, write. Good children. S-O, so finished. First word was B-E-B. Second word is S-O, so. Finish. Third word, T-O-2. 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 Finish, yeah? How many of you finished, children? T-O-2. Next is N-O, no. No. N-O. No.
Ma'am, Ritvik is not writing, ma'am.
Why Ritvik? Ritvik will get a chocolate today if you write. Come on, you don't want chocolate today? Those who don't want chocolate, you don't write. I don't know. Those who need chocolate, you should write. You. Okay. N-O, no. And the fifth word is G-O, go. Next word, fifth word is G-O, go. G-O, go. Where is that card? Fifth word is G-O, go. Left it somewhere. Okay, right, children. G-O, go. Somewhere I left the card. G-O, go. All the 5 words finished. First word is B-E-B. Okay? Second word is S-O, so. Third word is T-O, 2. Fourth word is N-O, no. And the fifth word is G-O, go. All of you have written. Parents, please check whether they have written correctly.
Fish mama has
Let's finish. Yes, for the next term, you will be getting dictation test in this. So be clear with these words. And also, we have already written am, and, it is, and all. If not, you can write it one more time in your notebook, children. I already told you to write. Those who have not written, you please write these words also in your notebook. Am, an, as, at, and all. It is, in, if, on, off, the, off, and all. You should write. Those who have written, you leave it. Those who didn't write, you have to write this. Okay, these words will be coming for term 2. Okay, dictation. Yes, clear, children? Yes, finish means let me know. I'm going to start with the concept, children. Finished?
Finish.
Vanilla, ma'am. Okay. Okay, keep your notebooks aside. Very one by one you have to write, children. Write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 1 minute, children. For your reference, I am telling you, you should write like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this you should write. Don't write like alphabets. Will write A to Z. No, like that you should not write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In a column wise, you have to write. Not in here like this. In landscape, you should not write. Okay, hereafter, whenever say to copy down the word, please write it like this. Number it and write. Okay? Very good, children. Okay, last week, what animals we learned, children? We learned about one animal. What was that? Can anybody tell me what was that animal? Huh? Okay, very good. Dinosaur. Now take mute yourself, man. Dinosaur. Dinosaur is an what animal? Farm animal. What is dinosaur? Yes? Very good animal. Extinct animal. Dinosaur is a extinct animal. Not only dinosaur, we have 2 more animals also. Okay, shall we see what is that? This one. What is this? This is dodo. Okay, this is dodo. D-O-D-O, dodo. See here. D-O-D-O, dodo. Dodo is also a bird and it is a flightless bird. What do you mean by flightless bird? Birds means where can you see it will walk on the land? Will it walk on the land? Birds will walk on the land? No, it will fly in the sky, right? But this bird, it will not fly in the sky because it is a flightless bird. Why it has become flightless? Because it is too heavy. That's what it cannot fly. Okay, like other birds, dodo will not fly. It is a flightless bird and this is also an extinct animal. Is not here. Many years ago it was there, but now we cannot see this bird. So this is an extinct animal. Another one, this one. What is this? Can anybody tell me what is this? Can anybody tell me what is this? Elephant. No, it's not elephant. Okay, it looks like elephant, but it's mammoth. Yes? Does the elephant have this much big tusks and all? No, right? It is mammoth. They also lived long ago, many years ago. This animal also lived, but this is extinct now. This is also an extinct animal. This is not elephant. This is mammoth. Okay, this is mammoth. Okay, now what are the three extinct animals? Dinosaur, dodo, mammoth. Okay, dinosaur, dodo, mammoth. Okay, so today we are going to, already we did worksheet regarding dinosaurs, right? Today we are going to do worksheet regarding dodo. Okay, so I want all of you to take D73 CT worksheet and be ready with it. We'll do the worksheet. D73 CT. Write the date. Today's date is 28/10/2020. This will be your worksheet. Children, write the date. Today's date is 2/8/28/10/2020. Okay, here it is mentioned as dip crumpled newspaper in color and dab it on the dodo. But we don't want to do like that. You just take your ordinary pencil and color it lightly. And for the leg, you give yellow color. And for the beak also yellow color. Only for the beak and leg you are going to give yellow. But for the body part, you are going to give only black color. That too very lightly. Don't color it darkly, children. It should look like grey color. Okay, so don't color it too dark, color it lightly. This and all is grey color, the body part. Leg and beak alone, I want you to give yellow color. Don't color it darkly, children, otherwise it will look like black in color. It is not black color. The dodo will be in grey color only. Okay, so lightly you color it. Okay, beak. Are you all coloring, children? With your pencil, lightly you color. Or else if you have grey color crayons also, you can take and color. Whatever you have, you do it. But for the beak and leg alone, you give yellow color. Kalviani, who is coloring for you? You color, ma. Lightly you color. Okay? Try to do your work by your own.
Blue color.
Vidyut, what are you doing? Vidyut,
Coloring, ma'am.
coloring. Ah.
Yes, ma'am.
What grey color? Yellow color. Ah. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You didn't color the body part?
No, ma'am. No gray color.
That's what in pencil itself, lightly you shade it. That's it.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
No need to color too darkly. The pencil itself, lightly you shade it.
Okay, ma'am. Body gray color.
Nitila. Nitila and Lakshana. Nitila or Lakshana. Nitila's parent.
Yes, ma'am.
Concept worksheet. What concept worksheet is she having? Can you please show me?
D73, ma'am.
No, no, not this one. This one you are doing, huh? Dodo?
Yes, ma'am. Coloring.
Okay, do it.
Okay.
Alphabet worksheet, like I already said, you continue with the next alphabet worksheet. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Need
you,
not
ma'am.
do, because I am going to do Z today. You need not do that. The next worksheet. Yesterday she finished A, right? Today
Yes.
let her finish B.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
B
thank you.
is already she finished, ma'am.
Finished. Then next letter C.
Okay, ma'am. C. Okay, ma'am.
Very good, Nitila. You are finishing very fast. Good.
Ma'am, look at the ninja.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good, ma. Very good. Yes. Yes, ma. Finish. Farnas, finish, huh? Very good, Farnas. Good. Very nice. Yellow color beak and leg. Nice. Very good, Farnas. Next worksheet will be D74 LT. That is that worksheet. D74 LT. Those who finished coloring can take this worksheet. Very good, Danvin. Nice. Good. Take D74 LT. Lightly shade it, children. That's it. You need not color too dark and all. Lightly shade it. That's all. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Z for zip. Farnas, I want you to sing the Z rhyme, Farnas. Phonic rhyme. Phonic rhyme. Z rhyme. Unmute and speak.
Have did you ever be bus? சொல்லுங்க.
Mummy will not sing. His mummy studying in junior KG. Huh?
நீதான் சொல்லணும்.
Come on, look at ma'am and sing, Makana. Come on, good.
A bee bus. Did you ever hear a bee bus? Zizz, zizz, zizzing.
Buzzing like this. Very good, very good. Now come on, start writing. Children, those who finish the Dodo worksheet, you can take D74 LT and write. Like I already say, there is this worksheet. Those who don't have space here, you can carry on with the next worksheet. Next to this worksheet, you have another one worksheet. You can write there. It's very easy. Sleeping line, standing line, and again sleeping line. From 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. Ritvik, did you finish, ma Ritvik? Ritvik finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Coloring finished, huh? Now what are you doing? Are you writing Z worksheet, ma, now? Okay, good. Very good, Ritvik. Your mama said you are not writing. You are a good boy. Very good. Well, Darshika, what are you doing? Darshika, Devarakshita, both of you. What are you doing? Are you writing Z or are you coloring?
Ma'am, Devrakshita writing Z, ma'am.
Z, very good, Devarakshita. Good. Darshika, what are you writing or coloring?
I'm going to
Pranita finished, very good Pranita. Continue doing this Z worksheet. Yes, Pranita, I heard you. Do the Z worksheet, ma. You finished coloring, I saw it. Z worksheet, take it and write. Darshika, you didn't answer, Darshika. What are you doing? Writing,
Number.
D74, D74 LT.
D74 LT. D74 LT. Upper D74 LT.
Lakshana, are you there, Lakshana? Lakshana. Lakshana, can you hear me, ma? Lakshana is not there. Pranita, mute yourself, Pranita. Siddharth, Satvika, Sri, both of you, what you are doing?
Siddharth is writing.
Zeta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Satvika, you? Satvika? What? Writing, Okay, right. Very good, right. Satvika finished that sentence reading, Satvika's mom?
No, ma'am.
She didn't finish, right? Once you finish, you let me know, Satvika, okay?
Okay.
Nitila, I want to see how Nitila is writing. Nitila's mom.
Poor connection, ma'am. Video
Poor
not.
connection, so video is not visible. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No issues.
I send into photo, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. I just wanted to see how she is starting to write a letter. That's
Okay.
it.
Okay.
No issues. Nightik, are you writing, Nightik? I'm not able to see you. What happened, Nightik?
Writing, ma'am.
Writing only, Okay. Dhanvin, finish, ma?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Dhanvin.
Sorry, ma'am, get an email.
Devkrish also, va? Siddhartha.
Not writing, ma'am.
What? Devkrish is not writing,
Yes.
I will not believe this. I know about Devkrish. He will write. No, Devkrish. It's wrong, ma. Ma'am didn't say anything, no? Why Devkrish, mom? He will write. You know about Devkrish, right? He will take some time, then he will write. Why are you saying to me? See, he's upset now. Devkrish, this is for you, Devkrish. Devkrish, look here. Look at ma'am first. First, look at ma'am. I have a surprise for you. See here. This is for Devkrish. Yes, smile. Smile, smile, smile. Okay, now take your book and write. Should not feel for that. You should not get angry like that, Devkrish. It's very bad, okay? Good boy, no? I like Devkrish very much. He's always smiling. Come on, write. Smile and write. Very bad, Devkrish, mom. No, I will not accept this. Come on, you write, ma. I'll ask your mama afterwards. You write. Come on. Good boy.
Finish.
Finish,
It's finished.
Who is that? Parnas, finish.
Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Finished, very good, ma. Kavyani also finished. Very good. Now take your slate and those who finish, write numbers from 10 to 1. 10 to 0. Backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Like that you should write, not from 1 to 10. Backward. Come on, take your slate and write. Those who finished, take your slate and write backward numbers from 10 to 0. Come on, Kavyani. It should be backwards. Parents, please don't teach them. Let them write on their own. Let me see how they are writing. Okay, finish means I'm going to come back, children. Finish. Good. Vivan finished, huh? Take your slate and write from 10 to 1. Backwards. Backwards. Vidyut. What are you doing, Vidyut? Playing, ah? I can
Yes,
see
ma'am.
you
Playing and
playing
writing.
and writing. Ah, very good. Okay, play and write. Somehow you write. That's enough.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Ritvik, finish. Take your slate. Those who finished writing Z, take your slate. We have finished our alphabets, children. Till Z we have finished. Hereafter we are going to move on to words. Okay, so today's homework, I want all of you to write from A to Z in your English notebook and send it to me. That will be your homework today. Okay, I want all of you to write from A to Z, small letters, and send it to me. Very good, Siddharth. Now read it out, Siddharth. 10. How will you read? 10 before 9. No. Siddharth. Siddharth. 10 before 9, 9 before 8, 8 before 7, 7 before 6, 6 before 5, 5 before 4, 4 before 3, 3 before 2, 2 before 1, and 1 before 0. Like this you will read. Okay? Yes, whenever you read backward numbers, you have to read like this.
9 before 8.
9 before 8.
8 before.
8 before 7.
Ah.
7 before 8.
7 before 8. Ah. 7 before 6.
5 for
6
6. 5
before.
before
That's what.
5. 4 for 3.
5 before.
3.
5 before.
5 before
5
6.
before 4. See here.
4 for 3.
Children, take your 10 fingers, children, all of you. Take your 10 fingers. See, how will we count from 1 to 10 like this, right? But for backward counting, we are going to open our fingers and count. Okay, how will we count? We are going to reduce one finger. For after counting numbers, we will add one finger, right? But for backward counting, we are going to reduce one finger. Okay, now here I have 10 fingers. Okay, 10 before 9. Now I have 9 fingers. Rohita, listen, Rohita. Mute and listen, Rohita. All of you mute and listen. 10. Here I have 10 fingers. I want you to do the same. 10 before 9. One finger I reduced here. See here. Now I have only 9 fingers. 9 before 8. Yes? Now I have 8 fingers. Okay? 8 before 7. How many fingers I have? 7 fingers. 7 before 6. I have 6 fingers now. 6 before 5. 5 before 3. 3 before, 4. 5 before 4. 4 before 3. 3 before 2. 2 before 1. And 1 before 0. Your 0 will be like this. So no numbers. Okay? So you have to reduce one finger when you are coming to backward counting. And you have to add one finger when you go to after counting numbers. Okay, children? Yes. Ready? Now who is going to show me your fingers and count?
10 before
Yes,
9.
Rohita, write 0, ma. You didn't write 0? 1 before 0. 0. Ah, there only. Very good.
10 before.
Okay, 10 before.
10 10 before 9, 10 before
9 before
9, 9 before 2,
2 నా ఇది 8
8, 2,
8 చెప్పండి
8 before 7, 7 also 6, 6 also
Before.
5,
7 before 6, 6 before 5,
5 before
5 before
6,
why
4,
4,
4 before
4 before
3,
3,
3 before 2. It will take time. It will take time. 2,
1,
2 before 1, and 1 before 0. Very good, children. Have to practice like this only, okay? 10 before 9, 9 before 8, like that. Regularly, when you practice only, you will say it very easily. Okay, children. Hashini. Hashini,
Ma'am.
what did you
Yes,
learn
ma'am.
today, Hashini? No worksheet, so what did you learn today?
ma'am,
Yeah.
0 varadu ma'am,
Huh?
0 varadu ma'am,
ஜீரோன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாதான் மேம்
Zero
ஒன்னுக்கு
should.
முன்னாடி ஜீரோ சொல்லக்கூடாதான்
Why?
ma'am,
ராங்கா
Wrong. Why it is wrong?
சரி
See,
சொல்லு
where one finger if you will have, okay. When if you take that finger also, when there is no number, what it will be? It will be 0 only. Yes or no?
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. ரெண்டு மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு ma'am.
No, 0 also you should say. When you come to 2-digit number and all, what will you do? 11 before, how will you find out? How will you find out it is 10?
11 before 12.
11 before 12. That's what I said, it's 0. All these days I didn't teach you like that, right? But for before numbers, I am teaching you 0. All because of this reason only, okay? When you come to see about backward numbers, 11 before 10, how will you recognize? 1 before is 0. Like that only you will recognize, right? For that only I taught you as 0. Okay, children? Before 1, there is no number, so it is 0. Okay? Yes. Okay, thank you, children. Thanks for your cooperation. Hope everyone have written your backward number. Thank you. Today's homework is from A to Z, small letters. Write and send it to ma'am. Okay? Without